How do I set up automated text messages for TFW? Hey guys, today I thought I'd answer a question I had over on smartphonematters.com. This comes from Sister Dolores. She says, "Hello, we are working with a company which helps us send text messages to our parents for a school program. If we have announcements, need to cancel classes due to weather, etc. This is the first year I've seen TFW come up. When the company asks for the parent's cell phone carrier, is this what we should put down as opposed to simple mobile, etc.? Thanks." Great question, Sister Dolores, and I can understand how this would be confusing. So let me first try and answer your question directly, and then I'll give you a little bit more information about how this all works. So first, what Sister Dolores is referring to is she has a parent. They're probably using an iPhone, could be an Android phone, but in the top left-hand corner on an iPhone, you would see a network indicator of TFW. This stands for Track Phone Wireless. Now, in this case, because you mentioned Simple Mobile, I'm going to assume that that parent is using Simple Mobile. So Simple Mobile is a brand owned by Track Phone Wireless, and Track Phone Wireless owns a bunch of brands. So rather than put the name of each of the different companies they own in the top left-hand corner of the phones, they've just decided they're all going to show TFW or Track Phone Wireless. So in this case, when you sign up for one of these automated text services, there's usually a drop-down list you pick after you enter your phone number. And if Simple Mobile is in that list, then that's what you should choose. And that should work fine. Now, if Simple Mobile is not in the list, I would choose T-Mobile. And the reason I would do that is because Simple Mobile uses the T-Mobile network. And in the US, there are 4 different major cell phone carriers: AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, and Sprint. And then there's a number of these prepaid wireless services, but they usually use one of these 4 networks. And for whatever the reason is, these services that send these automated text messages, they want to know what network they need to send those messages to. Probably just some technical detail of the way they've set it up. So in this case, if you have a choice to pick Simple Mobile from the list, that's what I would do. If Simple Mobile is not in the list, I would choose T-Mobile. Now, you may see this come up again in the future. You might have a parent that has a phone that says TFW. They'll also see this if they are a TracFone customer, a Straight Talk customer, or a Net 10 customer. If the service doesn't have options for those companies, if you're using Straight Talk, Net 10, or TracFone, you could be on any one of these 4 networks and still see TFW in the top corner. And that's because some of these companies offer choices of service on one of these 4 networks. So again, if you have a parent that's using Simple Mobile and that's a choice in the list, just choose Simple Mobile. If that's not there, choose T-Mobile. Now, the other thing you could do is you could send the company that you're working with a link to this video, point them to this video, and ask them for clarification for other cases that come up if you're not sure what to pick. But you really do want to make sure that you get this right, because I know in the past I've signed up for some of those automated text services and then I changed carriers and then I stopped getting the text message alerts. I think actually it was for my bank. I had to go through some steps to get that corrected. So you definitely want to follow up on that. All right, Sister Dolores, I hope that helps you out. That's it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys next time.